Hello, in front of me I've got REMATCH. In this video I'll show you passes tutorial. In the beginning, to start passing, press X or square button. The longer you press the button, the stronger the pass will be. If you want to lock pass, press R1 and square or X. If you want to aim the pass, before pass, change direction of your movement. For example, left or right. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe.